Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at an accessory that's absolutely vital for keeping a classic piece of equipment running smoothly. An AC adapter, specifically designed for the Radio Shack PRO-2033 desktop programmable scanner. For anyone who owns this iconic scanner, you know how important it is to have a reliable power source, especially as original adapters can sometimes get lost, damaged, or simply wear out over time. This particular adapter, from the brand Diseed, aims to be that perfect replacement. The PRO-2033, with its CAT number 2410, is a beloved scanner for many enthusiasts, and finding a power supply that truly matches its needs can be a bit of a hunt. This Diseed adapter steps in as a non-OEM solution, but it proudly states 100% compatibility, which is the first and most crucial point for any replacement part. It means users can plug it in with confidence, knowing it's engineered to deliver the correct power specifications without any issues. One of the standout features of this adapter is its universal input voltage. It supports AC 100-240V at 50-60 Hz, making it a worldwide voltage use mains PSU. This is incredibly convenient, especially for those who might travel with their scanner or live in areas with different electrical standards. You won't need to worry about voltage converters. Just a simple plug adapter might be all that's required, making it a truly portable and versatile power solution. The travel special feature listed really highlights this benefit. The manufacturer promises an advanced design and high portability, which are significant advantages. Nobody wants a bulky, heavy power brick, especially for a desktop unit that might be moved around. A compact, lightweight design means it won't clutter your space and is easy to pack away if you need to transport your scanner. The black color and wall mount design also contribute to a neat and unobtrusive setup, blending seamlessly into most environments. Beyond convenience, performance and safety are paramount. This adapter boasts high power exchange efficiency, which is key to controlling the working temperature and ensuring stable operation. What this means for the user is that the scanner receives a consistent, clean power supply, which is vital for its delicate internal components. Stable working conditions help prevent overheating, extend the life of the scanner, and ensure reliable performance during long listening sessions. It's a Class 2 power supply, indicating it meets specific safety standards, giving users peace of mind while it's plugged in. The package includes one adapter charger, and the manufacturer rightly emphasizes the importance of making sure you choose the right adapter before ordering. While this one is specifically for the PRO-2033, always double-check the model number to ensure a perfect match. For anyone looking to replace a lost or faulty power supply for their Radio Shack PRO-2033 desktop programmable scanner, this Diseed AC adapter presents itself as a highly capable, reliable, and convenient option, promising stable power and worldwide compatibility in a portable design. It's a solid choice to keep that classic scanner powered up and ready for action.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.